La SEMIDAO is a local public company that carries out public service missions in the field of water and sanitation for the urban community of Porte de l'Isère. La SEMIDAO is located at 2 technical and administrative sites, as well as at 2 wastewater treatment plants. La SEMIDAO for 21 communes operates and maintains 250 structures, 1,800 kilometers of water and sanitation networks, which is approximately 200,000 pieces of equipment. The main challenge for SEMIDAO is to satisfy its clients, and it is a delegator. And that is what allows us to achieve with Carl Berger-Levrot with its CMMS tools, Carl Source and Carl Touch.
In 2020, we decided to create a unique CMMS to harmonize maintenance practices and industrialize processes. To meet all these demands, we chose the CarSource software, perfectly suited to the water industry. Implementing a computerized maintenance management system is a structuring project that often takes a lot of time. Thanks to Carl's teams, we managed to set up the tool in record time. To meet the tight deadlines, we had 3 requirements. The first was to host the solution in SaaS mode at Carl Berger-Levrot. The second was not to create interfaces with external tools. And the third was to create common dashboards for all services and departments. Thus, CarSource allows us today to manage all of our industrial equipment in dealerships, our own infrastructures. We also create estimates and customer billing, and we also manage our stocks and supplier purchases. For us water industry players, the main strength of CarSource has been integration into the hierarchies of the 150,000 elements of our geographic information system, the establishment of mobility for field teams, the monitoring of market execution using contracts, and more rigorous and regular reporting to our delegator using Power BI.
In my daily work, I use the CARL software to manage the preventive, corrective and regulatory maintenance strategy of all our equipment in real time. The benefits we gain are reduced maintenance costs and optimized equipment lifespan. At SEMIDAO, the goal is to have an optimal prevention plan, and we have a set of interventions derived from the range via CARL that allow us to automatically trigger interventions for our technicians in the field. On the other hand, Carl Source allows us to optimize the client relationship. From the phone call and the request of a subscriber to the intervention on the ground, for corrective interventions on water and sanitation networks,
ChargeSource being an interoperable tool, we will create in 2023 2 interfaces, one with our GIS and one with our finance tool Sage. We also aim to implement the Carl Flash reporting tool, which will allow us to address the intervention requests from the technical services of the municipalities in order to continuously improve our customer service.
Today, the CMMS gives us complete satisfaction. It allows us to fulfill our public service missions and meet our contractual obligations.